Are you still struggling which material of pot to be used for your plant? Don't worry, we got your back. Hi, welcome to Yusen Gardening Supply. Today we will be comparing 3 different kind of pots, which is ceramic, plastic and fiberglass, in terms of appearance, breathability and moisture retention, cost, environmental impact and durability. So for appearance, plastic pots are available in a huge variety of shape, size, colors and textures. Compared to all the beautiful colors, patterns and styles you can find in ceramic, plastic pots can be seen a little bit dull in comparison. In the other hand, for fiberglass pot, it is known for its ability to be customized. It is considered a chic, high-end style. So for our next comparison point, which will be breathability and moisture retention, plastic pot work the best for plants that like their potting soil to stay on the moist side instead of drying out quickly. This is because plastic isn't a porous material, so air movement doesn't occur through the side of the container. So for ceramic are made from fine texture like color clay and then glaze. That's why they are less breathability. Some ceramic pots are sold without any drainage hole at all, which means the roots will be sit in a very wet conditions. So for fiberglass pots, it is created from a blend of resin and glass fiber. Fiberglass is fairly breathable materials compared as plastic and ceramic planters. For cost-wise, most plants that you purchase in store or at nursery will go home with you in a plastic container. This is because it is the cheapest container for commercial growers to use. Ceramic planters also tend to be expensive but are available in a wide variety of color, glaze and designs. One of the biggest drawdown of fiberglass planter is their initial price. Fiberglass planters can be priciest choice, especially when compared to plastic planter and ceramic planter. However, the overall durability of fiberglass planter often make an initial investment worthwhile. So, fiberglass planter are constructed to last after years, while plastic pot will break, crack, fall apart and fade after one season. Instead of spending funds replacing plastic planters every year, a slightly larger investment in fiberglass planter offer a foundation that lasts for much longer. For environmental impact, they are all eco-friendly in nature, but plastic is totally non-biodegradable in nature. This leaves a negative effect on the environment. On the other hand, ceramic is totally biodegradable in nature. This gives you a chance to play your part in saving the environment while maintaining a healthy lifestyle too. For fiberglass pot, fiberglass is earth-friendly. The main ingredient is sand. To make glass, it doesn't take nearly as much energy to produce. For our last comparison point, which is durability, plastic pots are lightweight and not easy breakable. It is less realistic and durable than the fiberglass planter. Cheap plastic planters are very brittle, thin, easily chipped and cracked. It typically don't last more than a couple of seasons. A major downside to ceramic pot is that the pots are easily cracked or chipped, which rarely occur with plastic pots. For fiberglass planter, they are very durable and not easily cracked as they are made out of fibers and resin. The both fibers and resin are made at the right consistence to create a planter structure that is easy to move even in extra large dimensions. Also, for larger size planter, fiberglass planter are much more easier than ceramic planter to move around. So that's all for our comparison video. I hope this video are able to help you in choosing which kind of material for your pots. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment or drop a message to our DMs. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video to your fellow friends.